amazing facts about human body. The concept of emotional intelligence plays a significant role in relationships. Individuals with high EI are better at communicating, reading their partner's emotional states, and managing conflicts, which can enhance the intimacy and depth of the relationship. Sexual dimorphism in humans, the systematic difference in form between individuals of different sex in the same species, extends beyond physical attributes and can influence psychological traits and behavioral patterns often associated with courtship and attraction. Psychological research suggests that people can unconsciously adopt the interests, mannerisms, or characteristics of those they are sexually attracted to, a phenomenon known as chameleon effect. Erotic humiliation is a psychological arousal response derived from humiliation during sexual activities. It demonstrates how the mind plays a critical role in defining what is considered sexually stimulating or pleasurable for different individuals. The concept of love maps, theorized by sexologist John Money, suggests that our individual templates of ideal romantic and sexual partners and scenarios are formed in early childhood and guide us in our adult love lives. Studies on sexual tension suggest it is marked by a mutual awareness of a sexual attraction that hasn't been acted upon, which can manifest in body language, flirtatious behavior, or even the avoidance of interaction due to the intensity of the emotion. Psychologists note that perspective taking, the act of viewing a situation or understanding a concept from an alternative point of view, such as a partner's, can significantly improve empathy and sexual compatibility in relationships. The age crime curve in criminology, which shows that criminal activity peaks in adolescence and then declines, has a parallel in sexual psychology, as sexual interest peaks during younger years and can change in nature as individuals age. Sensate focus exercises, developed by Masters and Johnson, are used in sex therapy to help individuals and couples overcome sexual dysfunction by reestablishing emotional and physical intimacy. The Kinsey scale, developed by Alfred Kinsey, categorizes individuals' sexual orientation on a scale of 0 to 6, where 0 is exclusively heterosexual and 6 is exclusively homosexual, showcasing the spectrum of human sexual orientation. Biophilia suggests an innate human tendency to seek connections with nature and other forms of life, which also includes the basic human inclination toward attraction and procreation. Schadenfreude, the experience of pleasure or joy from witnessing another person's troubles, failures, or humiliation, can appear in social interactions and even in a sexual context, as it can reflect dominance or competition. In the context of human behavior, sexual signaling extends to various ways individuals communicate availability or interest, from fashion choices to more overt actions like suggestive dancing or touching. Sexual imprinting is a process by which young animals, including humans, learn the characteristics of a desirable mate, influenced by the environment and parental models, which is theorized to influence mate selection later in life. Men can orgasm multiple times if the woman engages in continued sexual stimulation after the first orgasm, as some men do not experience a complete refractory period and can be aroused to the point of additional climax. The Westermarck effect is a psychological hypothesis that people raised closely together during the early years of life become desensitized to sexual attraction to each other, supporting a mechanism that prevents inbreeding.